There was no evidence that he has violated that order after his drug test on the 14th, which you ordered.
The conditions requiring no drugs, no alcohol, and testing went into effect in January 2025, prior to the testing that we conducted in April.
So the conditions went in January.
Yes, Judge, I understand that, but this violation has already been addressed.
I don't know. Anthony has it?
The court addressed it by issuing new bond conditions on the hearing on the 14th after the presumptive positive test came back.
The client failed to report for a drug and alcohol test on 4/7/25.
Yes.
So we brought him in on 4/14 to admonish him and to tell you, hey, don't miss a drug test. When you miss test, that's when we issue warrants. Bad things happen when you do that. So he was ordered the next week to go take a test, and he now tested positive for alcohol. So that's where we are. So we've not addressed.
I don't believe that's completely accurate. It was not the next week that he was ordered. It was at that hearing. You had him go out and take a drug test on that day.
Is that right?
Judge, the violation that was submitted on April 7th was addressed for admonishment on April 14th, and yes, that was the day that he was sent to submit for testing, and then he had an additional bond violation submitted for being presumptive positive THC. And now that was signed to be addressed today, which is what we're addressing.
Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. I've already had to put 2 people in jail now because they continue to use. You were begging for your bond to be revoked. We are now at a stage of no tolerance. If you ever miss, if you test positive again, do you understand me? There's no excuse. And I'm going to, are you high right now?
So
You can barely keep your eyes open, Mr. Hernandez. I want to test him again right now.
yes, sir.
I will test you 50 days from that test. And if you test positive for weed, that tells you that you continue to smoke and it's not going well. Do not use. Do you understand?
Sir.
From this day forward, you test positive